Hi, Steven here again, and we're looking at a duplex house, a money model here in Almiya Subdivision located in Canduman, Mandaue City. And
Almiya.
Ano sa dito?
Almiya.
Balik. Good noon, Steven here, and welcome to another home tour. We're looking at a duplex house located in Almiya Subdivision in Canduman, Mandaue City. And this house is close to the clubhouse and swimming pool, so you could directly go there once you want to feel the need for going for swimming. So without further ado, let's do the tour of the house. This is 99 square meters of lot area and 60 square meters of floor area. We're looking at a two-car garage over here. That's why there are two cars. Very huge space. Let's go. We got glass windows here, sliding. Solid door. Now over to your right, we got a lot of windows. We got a slim with 3 slim windows over here. You can actually open each one of them. See? Here too. That's the sliding window that I shown you. And then here we got a sink with ceramic countertop, faucet here, and we got overhead cabinet here as well for your kitchen storage. We got on this part is the possibly your living area. So wherever you want to put the television, maybe here or here, whatever you want to do as far as designing the inside of the house itself, possibly the living area is here. Now the dining area is here near this windows here because it's close to the kitchen. Again, that's just a suggestion. And then we got the first bedroom here. It's about, my estimation is more than 2 meters wide. That's the first bedroom. Now for the toilet and bath of the first floor is here. Here, this door leads to the service area. We got provision for the sink. That means you could also do your cooking here, and you could do your laundry. You can put your hanging for the laundry. This is actually the back of the house, which also leads there to the front of the house. Right? Comment if you have any questions at all. Let's go to the second floor. Again, you're passing the door leading to the service area. This is the staircase. Now, this house has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, nice space on the outside, and we got the second toilet and bath over here. So that's where the shower, sink, and toilet. Second bedroom is over here. Pretty much a perfectly shaped rectangular space for the second bedroom. You can do whatever you want as far as deciding it. We got provision for outlets over here for the electricity. And then finally, we got the master bedroom, which has the biggest space within the house. And look at this ventilation. Got large sliding windows here that faces two adjacent roads of the subdivision itself. Again, you can convert this space as well according to your needs. Pretty much this is the whole entirety of the house. If you have any questions, just let us know. Subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube and TikTok as well, and all our social media. Just let us know. We'll be there for you. Again, this is Stephen. Thanks for this home tour.